Up next, in our top selling master plan communities around the Austin area, we are standing in Sunfield community in Buda, Texas. Now, where is Buda, or where is Sunfield? It is actually located 16 miles from downtown Austin, just east of I-35. Sitting on approximately 2,700 acres and 4,000 homes completed. By the time it's all said and done, this community will have over 10,000 homes. Sunfield has everything that you need and anything that you can find in a master plan community, with easy access into downtown Buda that keeps that quaint and small town feel. And like I mentioned before, easy access to downtown Austin. Up next, let me tell you all about the school districts here in Sunfield. The school district here in Buda, specifically in Sunfield, is changing fast, with 2 schools opening up last fall. Right behind me is the brand new elementary inside of Sunfield. And then you have Johnson High School that just opened up this past fall. The elementary is located on the northwest corner of the master plan community, so it provides easy access for you and the family. So here in Sunfield, you're located in Hayes ISD, and according to niche.com, Hayes is ranked or rated as a B grade school district. Okay, now that you know all about the school district here in Sunfield, let's go check out the amenities. You won't want to miss this. Okay, so here we are at our first stop, located near the entrance of the community. This is the Sunbright Activity Center. Here you can find a splash park for the kids and also a junior Olympic sized pool with lap lanes. If you pan out to the right, you will find an 8,000 square foot pavilion where you can have some barbecue with your friends, your neighbors, get-togethers, birthday parties, everything that you need for you and the family. If you are a fisherman, there are catch and release lakes all around the community. Now, how many communities do you know of that have a lazy river inside of it? So welcome to the crown jewel of Sunfield, the Lazy River Amenity Center. There are 3 water features: the lagoon pool with waterfalls, the activity pool with a basketball hoop, and of course, the 1,000-foot long lazy river. Can you believe that? A lazy river inside this community. Let's go check it out. So you may not know this yet, but the Texas weather is really moody, and the fact that this community here at Sunfield has this feature, I think it's a really good addition because it's covered, so you can pick up your mail in your car, get out, not be affected by the wind, the hail, or any rain. And then also this serves as a bus stop for the residents of Sunfield. Here in Sunfield, you have a great selection of builders, starting with Pulte and Centex, Kesmar Homes, Castle Rock Communities, David Weekley, and then finishing up with Guion Homes. Sunfield Community started building back in 2012, so you have the option of buying a resale home in this community if you choose to do so. However, the point of buying into a master plan community is so that you can get that brand new home. So here you have the option of either buying an inventory home or a quick move-in home, or you can actually build from the ground up, where you go and select your lot and select all the upgrades inside the home. Up next, I'm gonna highlight some of the builders here in the community and give you a tour of some of the homes and the floor plans that they have to offer. Right now, I'm standing inside a Kesmar home. Now, their prices are starting in the high 400s, and their floor plans range anywhere from the 2,000 square feet all the way up into the 2,800 square feet. Now, this particular floor plan, which I'm about to walk you through it, or actually Patty, my boy right here, is about to walk you through it, is called the Heidi plan. And it is, right now it's priced at around in the mid 500s to the high 500s. But the cool thing about this floor plan is that the other bedrooms are kind of hidden away, and I'm about to show you this, so come check it out. Patrick, come check this out. This is the best part about this floor plan. Let's go. Whew. That was a lot more stairs than I expected. But come check this out. So you have a living area. This, if you have any teenagers, I think this would be a cool spot for them. Then you have a study spot, you know, for them to do their homework, if they actually want to do their homework. Then you have a full bathroom. and 2 bedrooms. Up next, we're gonna check out David Weekley, one of my favorite builders around the area. All right, here we are, David Weekley right behind me. This floor plan is called the Countryside. Now, their base prices are starting in the high 300s. What do I mean by the base price? Quick reminder, when I talk about base price, that doesn't include the lot premium and it doesn't include any of the upgrades, so keep that in mind. Now, their floor plans are ranging anywhere from the 1,400 and then all the way up into the 3,000 square feet. So let's go check it out. So I'm sitting here in the master bedroom of the Countryside floor plan built by David Weekley. This floor plan is approximately 2,000 square feet, and you could either make it a 3-bedroom or a 4-bedroom and 2.5 bath. And now Patty's gonna take you around and show you the beautiful, beautiful floor plan. In fact, one of my clients is building the same exact floor plan here in Sunfield community. Next, we have Guion Homes, and their prices are ranging anywhere from the mid 400s into the high 500s, and their floor plans are ranging from the 1,600 into the 3,400 square feet. If you're looking for a lower price, let me tell you a little secret, and not a lot of people know about this, but Pulte and Centex are offering a floor plan that it's selling under 300,000. It actually just sold, I believe, between 280 and 290, so don't tell anybody. Now, this floor plan is around 1,200 square feet, if I'm not mistaken. So if this is something that you're looking for, make sure to reach out and we can help you get into this beautiful community at a very, very low price. Can you imagine at that price, you're taking advantage of all these amenities that we've shown you today, the Lazy River, the other amenity center, and guess what? I just heard from the sales rep that they're building another Lazy River. So that's 2 that you're gonna have in this community. Now, Pulte and Centex are also offering homes starting in the mid 300s if you want a little bit of a bigger home, all the way up into the high 400s. And then you have Castle Rock Communities where you have a ton of choices to choose from. They actually have 2 collections, the silver and the gold, and they start in the mid 300s all the way up into the 700s. And finally, we have Taylor Morrison starting in the mid 300s with floor plans ranging from the 1,400s all the way up into the 3,000. So you can see why Sunfield is one of the top selling master plan communities around the Austin area. You have amazing opportunities for you and the family. So whether you're looking to buy your brand new home for the first time or you're looking to upgrade to a bigger home, to a different community, don't hesitate to reach out via text, email, or phone call. We have helped over 60 families get into a brand new home in the last 2 years. So we know the process, we know what to look for, we know how to talk to the builders. We actually have built great relationships with builders around the area. So if you have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out. All right, guys, so that's it. I hope you got some value from this video. We worked really hard to put this together. So whether you're thinking about moving to Santa Rita Ranch, Easton Park, or Sunfield community, these are the top selling master plan communities in the Austin area. So you can't go wrong with any of these communities. And you know what to do. Make sure to hit that subscribe button and tap that bell so that you're alerted when a new video comes out. And before you go, leave a comment below and tell me which community was your favorite one, because I want to hear from you so that we can continue to make these videos and bring you value every single day. And don't forget, my name is Julio Monagas, and I'll see you on the next one. Adios. Now keep in mind, in Sunfield, woo!